up everyone? So for today's video is Cliff's gonna be executing. Cliff's gonna be doing some nice things, char, that will make us flutter. Yeah. Yo, baby, kiss mama. Kiss mama.
Kiss.
Kiss mama.
Kiss mama, kiss.
Kiss mama more.
Kiss. Gigi.
Yeah.
Bless mama, bless. Bless ni mama.
Bless mama.
Bless ni mama, bless ni mama. Bless.
Where
Bless.
are we going? Where you
Bless
wanna
papa,
go?
babe, bless. Bless papa. Bless.
Very good.
Ni mama.
Yeah, bless mama.
Bless ni mama. Gina, bless. Don't bite, baby.
Kiss mana, good kiss sa hands.
Bless man, bless.
Bless, babe, bless.
Bless, babe, bless.
Hold the hand and
No, anak.
and put it here. Very good. And so ito pag hooray. Hooray!
Yeah, hurry.
Ina, hooray! Ay, no. So guys, here in the Philippines, guys, is we have this magalang thing that we call magalang, that we call that younger ones should bless on the head. That's respecting older ones or our parents and lolas. So that's what we teach to our little kids.
Gina. Tog na.
So right now, this is sleeping now. You're sleeping now. What time did you wake up saying that?
Milk.
They want to drink milk. Okay. I'm gonna drink the milk now.
Okay, bye. Bye, guys.
So,
See you soon.
bye-bye. Hello, what is up, everyone? So, Cliff right now is drinking milk. You're drinking milk. Cliff right now is drinking milk. So, guys, we actually have a problem. I'm just not gonna ask. So, I don't know. So, Cliff right now is holding his bottle. Because it's big already. But he actually started holding his bottle. What month? Unsa siya nga month lang. Unsa siya nga month lang na nagkulit na siya bottle lang. 9 months. Tipo 9 months. 10 months. Practice siya ba? No, we forgot. Cliff. Ganan ka magkuhan, Cliff? Mga gilista o gatas. What gatas man do you like, be? Nido. How about Nido? Dili na pwede lang. Uy, di ka man doon nidudong nga taga-adlaw siyo. Dili yun na. Sa kabulan naman taon na po eh. After pa rin mo. So guys, Cliff is actually having excuse me for hard stool. So his stool is actually not, I don't know if this is normal, but his stool is really hard and it really, and I really pity him every time he difficulty, because he always cry every time he poops. He always cry every time he poops, and it is really maybe.
Hoy, nga na magkuha naka-charger, be.
I think we're gonna change his milk, or we're gonna go back to his old milk. Is gonna cleaning the house. Right, Cliff? Are you cleaning the house? He's cleaning the house. Oh, there's your diaper. Clean the diaper. Okay, are you done? Radcliffe, are you done cleaning? Slowly. Careful! Very careful! Cliff really wants to clean the house. Saan na siya? Oh! Yay! That's fine, no? Kung pag yun. What's the face? Ugly face, ugly face. Bati nang. Susita. So right now, Vic is walking and I'm holding him because he actually not that used to. He's not that keen on walking already. So he's still practicing. That's why I need to hold him. I need to hold him because there's a lot of things on this house. And his head might bump this bed. So there it is. Flip. Flip. Oh, careful. 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 Slowly. Slowly. Slowly, please. Slowly. Oh. Yeah. Slowly. Go back now, go back. Go back, wait, go back. Go back, go back. Go back, go back. Hey, come here. Come behind me. Wait. Inay. Inay. Yeah. Ayaw, Cliff. Cliff, balik.